Hello, guys. Do you want to create AI videos like this? Or like this? Or like this? Now you can create these AI videos from text for free. A newly released AI is capable of making such videos, just like the unreleased Sora. So, let's start. Go to the Luma AI site. They have launched the Dream Machine, an AI text-to-video model. It makes high-quality, realistic videos fast from text and images. It can generate 120 frames in 120 seconds. Create action-packed shots. You can create videos with consistent characters. Some limitations of this model include morphing, movement, text, and genus. Let's try it. Click Try Now. Sign in with your Google account. I already created a few videos with it before. Here, enter your prompt. I am using one of the example prompts. Now generate the video. The video is in queue. It will be created soon. Till then, let's see the account. As you can see, a free account has a limit of 30 video generations per month. You can pay for more generations. The video is generated. The quality is great. Click direct link and open this in a new tab. Download it like this. Here is another video I created. Some more examples. Also, it supports image to video as well. Just add an image like this and give an appropriate prompt. That's all. Give it a try. Thanks for watching.